Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install PhpStorm on your Mac. This works on MacBook, iMac, and Mac Mini, and supports both Apple Silicon and Intel Macs. Let's get started. First, open any web browser. I'm using Brave, but Safari, Chrome, or Firefox will work just fine. In the search bar, type Download PhpStorm, then press Enter. From the search results, click on the official JetBrains website. I've also included the direct download link in the video description. Once you're on the PhpStorm download page, choose the correct version for your Mac, either Apple Silicon or Intel. If you're not sure which one you have, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and select About this Mac. If you see Apple M1, M2, M3, or M4, you're using an Apple Silicon Mac. If it says Intel, then you're on an Intel-based Mac. After selecting the correct version, click Download. Save the installer to your Downloads folder. The download time may vary depending on your internet speed. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. A window will appear. Simply drag the PhpStorm icon into the Applications folder. This installs PhpStorm on your Mac. Once it's finished, you can close the window and delete the installer file to free up space. Next, open Finder, go to Applications, and launch PhpStorm. If macOS shows a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, click Open to continue. When PhpStorm launches for the first time, accept the user agreement by clicking Continue. You'll then be asked to activate the app. If you already have a license or subscription, choose Activate Code and enter your details. Otherwise, select Start Free Trial to begin using PhpStorm for free. And that's it. PhpStorm is now installed on your Mac, and you're ready to start coding. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple, step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.